Gina Louise, you're living proof that dreams come true, and there isn't any storm that we won't be able to go through. I choose to spend the rest of my life with you. You've taken me to be your lifelong partner.
This is my to-do list. He wrote what we're going to do now sooner or later in our lives together. Yeah.
Congratulations, honey. Love you.
Joe, from the moment I first laid my eyes on you, I knew you would hold a special place in my heart. Your humble heart, your love for your family, and your charismatic spirit are just a few of the many attributes that make you the man I've always dreamed of marrying. No matter what comes our way, I promise to always love you for you. Everything I need is everything you are, and for that I vow to give you all of my love for all of my life.
Please raise your glass to the new Mr. and Mrs. Joey Campbell. Gina, I cannot wait to see where life takes you. You are both destined for greatness. You are both destined to be legends.
True unity, true love, and pure joy is the result, and I couldn't imagine someone else to do it with. Love you, baby.